With Motorola's Windporting technology, your RSM minimizes wind and weather noise, so you can communicate clearly in difficult weather. This is the wind tunnel at Motorola's labs. Let's hear how another manufacturer's remote speaker microphone manages in that wind. Now let's hear Motorola's Windporting technology at work.
This is a demonstration of a Motorola remote speaker microphone with Windporting technology. The wind speed is 22 miles per hour.
Moto Turbo Windporting technology. I hear you, not the wind.